The market got hit very hard today, guys. It's not just AMC that is pulling back. Literally everything was pulling back today. So of course we're going to have to discuss why we're seeing so many things get hit so hard and if we expect it to continue. Because I do have some sort of a silver lining out there. The overall market is hitting levels of support. Dow, Nasdaq, S&P 500, all at levels of support right now. Hopefully they hold up and we move forward. But we do have some things out there that are really battering down the market and pushing it down. And we need to see these things kind of settle a little bit before we see AMC rebound. So let's talk about some significant levels of support for both AMC stock and the overall market. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how to buy stocks or crypto, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. A $100 deposit is going to get you at least 2 free stocks, valued between $11 and $2,300. Yes, you heard that right. And then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you at least $5 in the cryptocurrency of your choice. There's like 6 or 7 different coins that you can choose from, so make sure to check that out if you guys haven't already. Now's a great time to buy. If you don't have an account, now's the time to buy because we are on a massive dip. If you look at the Dow, you guys can see that the Dow's been pulling back for about a month now and is sitting at some levels of support that it has tested 3 times in the last several months. If you look at the S&P 500, pulling back, I believe it was about 2 weeks. Same thing for the Nasdaq, pulling back 2 weeks in a row and also sitting at some levels of support, some recent highs. The Dow's pulling back more than the S&P 500 than the Nasdaq has, but we're seeing all 3 of the major indices sitting at some levels of support right now. This could be good news, but we need to understand what's driving the overall markets lower and what's driving AMC stock lower. So there's going to be a bit of a correlation there, but I believe AMC has a little bit more to do with the technicals. So I don't want to get flagged or anything for saying it on here, but there's some variants out there that begin with an O, and that is really causing a lot of concern for investors. Me personally, I think we may see an overreaction of the things that are going on out there. We had a speech from Powell yesterday where Jerome Powell was testifying and he was talking about the Rona and how it's affecting the economy, and he was also talking about some other stuff in there, the CARE Act and the money being spent. So that had an effect yesterday. We did see the stock market along with AMC pulling back. We were expecting a bounce today, but there's a lot of investor uncertainty and market uncertainty going on because of this new variant. Now, whether or not it's based in truth or whether or not it's based in logic, I believe it could be some sort of an overreaction. I mean, even if it is, people can continue to overreact and the market continue to pull back. But the good news is we're at a level of support. So at least right now, the bleeding may stop and we can see what happens from here. If we fall through, it might be time to protect some profits and kind of wait and see what happens. If we bounce off, oh my gosh, good, because this is as low as I want to see it go. But why did AMC stock pull so much further back today than almost anything out there? If we look at the technical analysis of AMC and the trend lines where it's been trading, we know that at the end of last week, we broke down through that bearish or through that wedge, and that was a bearish breakout. We were hoping for a bullish breakout, but AMC had a bearish breakout of that wedge last week, and now we're testing the levels of support we had. We thought 32.50. Well, first of all, the wedge was at like 38. We fell down through that, and we are testing 32.50. We broke through that. The line in the sand was $30 per share. We broke through that. We tested the level of support at 26.50 today. Now, the last time we touched 26.50 was in May of 2021. That is right, guys. Like 6, 7, 8, 9. How many months ago was May? Nobody knows because these prices have not been seen since May. Now, we tested 26.50 one time And that was on a Friday running up. I remember I was watching Matt Kors, man. Shout out to you, Matt. I was watching him, and I believe I was actually helping my sister out that day too, which is why I remember it. I was listening to Matt, watching, helping my sister, doing a bunch of stuff that day. But we came back and we tested that 2650 level before running higher. So the only amount of support we have there is because we tested it in one day. If we end up having the market continue to pull back and AMC continues to fall, the next level of support is not going to be seen until the $20 per share that we tested at the end of May and that we ran up to in January. Now, it's a little bit more significant than that level at 2650, but I mean, in all honesty, I don't even want to think about going below that. But if we do, the technical level of support is $14.50. Truly, I believe if we ever get back to those levels, people are going to view AMC as so cheap that they will absolutely need to jump in on it, to buy it up, and the hedge funds are going to be so tempted to cover their shorts at that level that I believe we're going to see a lot of positivity and a lot of buying pressure come in if we continue to fall at any rate. Now, you say, why did AMC pull back so much further? I believe it was because we were pulling back along with the market today, and then we broke through support at 32.50. We had to test that next level of support, which was all the way down another almost 10% at $30 per share. We broke through that, so we had to come down another 10% per share to test that 26.50. So because those support levels did not hold up, and the day traders, retail traders, institutional investors that trade based on technicals had to test those other levels, it did require a greater pullback than a lot of the other stuff we saw because those technicals were being broken. Now, on the way back up, knowing we fell so quickly through them, we are trading and we're right back at that $30 per share level today after hours. So if that holds up, that's going to be excellent news. Hopefully we gap up a little bit tomorrow as the market continues to rebound and people get that confidence back and they're no longer looking at the dismal activity that we had today. My gosh, it was red, guys. It was red. But we still had a great time in the live stream. And I know I didn't mention at the beginning of this video, but since you guys are still here, guess what? You got a better chance of winning. Sticker pack. We're going to do a sticker pack giveaway in this video. All you have to do, sticker pack, guys. We got ClayBro. We got ChipBro. You guys know ChipBro. If you've been to any of the live stream, Bro Babe stickers. And we got Christmas Bros. We got Pink Bros, Flamingo Color Bros. It is going to be a good sticker pack giveaway. If you guys want to win one, all you have to do is share this video on Twitter. Make sure to either tag me or hashtag ClayBro883 on Twitter. Well, hashtag ClayBro or ClayBro883, but if you tag me, it's ClayBro883. And then you also have to hashtag AMC not leaving. AMC not leaving and ClayBro883. You're entered in the giveaway. We'll announce the winner in the video tomorrow. And let's see, guys. If that button's still red, make sure to click and subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You already know ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram, and then we will in the description below. And until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.